learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月我们都要出去走一走，对不对？怎么说？我们去走一走吧。
En來去行行啊啦。
En來去行行啊啦。That means let's go out and have a walk. 到底为什么要 walk？ 是真的要走路、要运动吗？还是说也可以？还是说有的时候你要周末休息，当然很棒。可是有时候休息到下午就觉得好无聊。
好无聊哦，打电话找人出去走一走。
Hey, on the weekends, maybe you're resting up, but you get bored, right? And you want to go out and take a walk or something. Well, and this whole month, we're introducing people to places in 苗栗，因为这个月刚好都介绍一些苗栗好玩的地方，所以我们今天去狮子头走好了，好不好？
什么狮子头？狮头山。
对，狮头山，我又肚子饿了。
狮子头要去动物园看狮子，
因为很喜欢吃狮子头嘛。Okay, it's the Lion's Head Mountain. I actually mistaken it for a dish called the Lion's Head dish. But anyways, let's go to the Lion Head's Mountain and have a walk, okay? The scenario is like this. 假日在家好无聊. That means on the weekend, it's so boring.
不用了你。
不用了你。
都不下。
都不下。
閒無搭堆哦。
哦，閒無搭堆哦。搭堆是無聊的意思。
無聊，好無聊，閒無搭堆哦。
搭堆 that really just means I'm bored, okay? 不用了你。
放假日就是放假日。
On the weekends or holidays, okay. 好，那我们就出去走一走，然后要问說想去哪兒呢？
出來去行行啊。
出來去行行啊。
想去哪位？
想去哪位就是想去哪里。Where do you want to go? 想去哪位？
对，那海陆腔去哪里？去哪位？
去哪位 Okay, that's a different dialect of where do you want to go? And where are we introducing you to? 也就是我们去狮头山 That's the Lion's Head Mountain.
來去獅頭山啦。
來去獅頭山啦。When you have time, really go check out that mountain in Miaoli. It's got a trail that's about 5 kilometers long, and you'll have a lot of fun. Okay, let's review some of these terms. 無聊 boring.
閒無搭堆哦。
閒無搭堆哦 That means very bored, okay? 想去哪兒 Where do you want to go?
想去哪位？
想去哪位 And 獅頭山 The Lion's Head Mountain.
獅頭山。
獅頭山 And it's all about let's go and have a walk. 我們去走一走吧。
來去行行啊啦。
來去行行啊啦。There you go. Have fun. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.